Freelancing is the commonly used term in working individually or with group for making money through internet. A freelancer can get money in hourly basis or after completion of project. There are many sites for hourly income. They are like virtual office. Those websites will provide you different software, and using software they will monitor you and your work. On the basis of those records they will pay you on hourly basis. Rate of payment depends on your performance, review and quality. For a beginner, rate per hour won't be much, but after few days or month when you get few reviews, which will amplify you as a good worker, and your demand will rise and you will get more money than before. All you have to do is to work hard and have patience. It is advised that for a beginner it is best to know the work and gain the faith of buyer, then bargain about your rate. There are few other sites where no one can work on hourly basis. You have to win a project, then you have to complete it and supply that to your buyer, and in return buyer will give you money which was negotiated. Before going to the detailed discussion, you should remember that the sign-up process for both kind of website is same, only variable thing is to approach for a work. It was said earlier that in hourly-based working site they provide some software for monitoring workers. Continuous snapshot of desktop was sent to the server and they try to select idle time when you didn't work. They will minus those idle times from your log sheet. And then they will give you money according to time. In the project-based online working website, first you have to open an account. After opening an account you will be able to select your areas where you want to work or the areas where you have capability to work. Then you have to search available works match with your areas. After finding available jobs you have to select suitable job which is feasible. Then you have to bid on the project with your demand of money and time need. Sometimes buyer wants to see some sample for being convinced that you are capable enough. Good sample of previous work always enhanced to get the job. Sometimes buyers ask the worker to give some sample about the project he posted. Buyers do that to select proper person among the bidders. If the bidder is satisfied with those phenomenon, then buyer proceed for a negotiation about money and time. After completing the job, worker give it to the buyer and buyer pay the worker the money. And if the buyer is pleased with the job worker has done, then he gives a review, which is very important for further work. Same kind of review also given to buyer by worker, which shows how much reliable and safe a buyer is. Review is very important for both worker and buyer. Review of worker indicates his sincerity, capability to perform required job with satisfaction and professionalism. On the other hand, review of buyer indicates his sincerity, honesty in paying money, reliability and helpfulness in completing a job. Click the link in the description for more information.